Welcome to Cudmore Grove Country Park, here on Mersey Island. This is an important nature reserve of unique coastal landscapes overlooking the Colne and Blackwater estuaries. Let's meet one of the team.
Hi, I'm Matt. I'm a ranger here at the park. We're working to improve and protect some of the wildlife habitats here to ensure this environment remains healthy into the future.
Cudmore Grove is designated as a Site of Special Scientific Interest, a Ramsar Site, National Nature Reserve and Special Protection Area. Today, the park is part of a wider restoration project supported by funding from the Countryside Stewardship scheme, guided by ecologists from Place Services at Essex County Council and approved by Natural England. The team here are planning to improve the grazing marsh, a SSSI, by installing new fencing along the Borrow Dyke. The fencing will protect the marsh, an important habitat along the dyke, where water voles and birds make their homes, by keeping predators out. Native redpoll cattle will graze the marsh, creating a varied grass structure which benefits a variety of nesting birds. The purpose is to support and boost the number of waders and overwintering birds that frequent this area, such as lapwings, curlews, brent geese and teal. The mudflats provide a wide variety of food for the birds, and the shingle and salt marsh beyond are also an important habitat for ground nesting species such as avocets, terns and ring plover. The team are working with local groups to help protect this area. The park is undertaking another exciting project to manage the hogs fennel to support Fisher's estuary moths. The moths are only found at a few sites throughout the UK, including Cudmore Grove. And in the wildflower meadow, grass is left long and managed for the benefit of reptiles and invertebrates, including lizards and up to 15 types of butterflies, as well as those higher up the food chain, like kestrels and barn owls. Thanks for listening and finding out about the work taking place to protect and restore this special landscape at Cudmore Grove for the future. We hope you visit soon.